And it's, as you said, like you are able to sort of pull the information out of whatever, spreadsheets and whatever else they are using currently, and then feed it on. So it's not the case that you're going to have to manually re-enter a lot of this stuff.
No, that would be horrendous. I think we want to just basically start off with that. Say that the largest data set tends to be the asset register. Get that in, get that structure in. We've got a flexible hierarchical register structure, as you know, so it accommodates all that, and then build out from there in terms of maintenance, operations, logistics, HSE, and also it depends which modules they actually have in play. Maybe they have only a couple of modules in play in day one just to get them rolling, and maybe add the modules on later on. We've seen some of the customers say, well, actually, module 2, 3, and 4, for example, I'm not ready for the HSE stuff yet or the logistics stuff yet. I just want to get my assets and maintenance sorted out and then move into those arenas. So we work with the customer depending on how fast they want to take on the entire functionality.
Yeah, that's really important for us. Like, we originally were the same. We were bringing each module online as it was getting ready, but now they are all available. And if you want to bring them all at the same time, I guess you could. But you could also kind of pace yourself and be taking the modules one by one.